One of the biggest challenges in reconfiguring a factory? Training your team. But what if there was a way to make it faster, easier, and more effective? Enter Gen AI. With the power of digital twins and virtual simulations, factory reconfigurations can be tested and trained before a single tool is picked up. Imagine a virtual factory that immerses your team in a realistic simulation, showing them exactly how to handle their new tasks, all while physical changes are taking place in real time. It's faster, it's cheaper, and it's more effective than ever. This isn't just about speed, quality, or reliability. AI automation is transforming the training process itself. AI helping you implement AI? It might sound like sci-fi, but it's the reality of the near future. AI-enabled automation is here, not just to help your machines work smarter, but to help your people do the same. Eclipse Automation, part of Accenture. We design and build the future. EclipseAutomation.com